How to be an affiliate marketing rock star.
Have you been living the rat race life for quite a while and now you've grown tired of the boss breathing down your neck and the exhausting office politics? Or maybe you simply need an extra source of income. Whatever your reason may be, if you want some good decent income going your bank account's way, doing affiliate marketing can be a very viable path to follow. What exactly is affiliate marketing? It is a technique posing as a business opportunity that lets those with entrepreneurial spirit explore the world of passive income through marketing products for other businesses. You can earn through commissions. So if you think you'd like to give affiliate marketing a try, how do you ensure your success in this field? Here are some very important tips you should follow. Choose your niche well. One of the most important factors to consider in doing affiliate marketing is choosing the best affiliate company or products to market. It can make or break your earnings. If you have a certain field that you're most interested in, the easier you can go through the process of deciding what affiliate program to join. So start making a list of your interests and see what affiliate programs come up from that list. Create a website that gets followed. One of the best ways to make the most bucks in affiliate marketing is through the creation of well-designed websites. Make sure that your site is easy to navigate and compels targeted visitors to convert, either to sign up under you as referrals or to purchase the products you are marketing. A quality landing page that has a call to action for your targeted visitors to do what you need them to do has excellent content that can either be texts that reviews the product, a video tutorial that lets visitors learn how to benefit and use the product well, and a very conspicuous opt-in form. Use the power of freebies. Useful content is what you can use in making the word free mean money to you. When you offer free content, like say, free reports, when the right people get hold of this report, it can translate to more referrals or purchases. Learn how to get targeted traffic to your site. You can't benefit from your well-designed website, no matter how good your content and freebies are, if you don't have the right visitors. So how do you drive targeted visitors to your site? You can do off-page search engine optimization, or also known as link building. Whether use blogging, social networking and word of the mouth just to get the attention of the right people. There are different ways on how you can successfully make people go to your site through this means: article marketing or the use of written content and submitting it to directories for publishers to pick it up and drive people to your site. You can set up and maintain social network accounts and let people know about your affiliate sites, or you can tap on your contacts, especially the new media savvy ones like popular bloggers and or community managers, to spread the word about your sites. If you follow all of the above mentioned bits of advice, it will be hard for you to fail as an affiliate marketer.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.